As a member of a 12-step program and as a giver, I did volunteer work for at least a decade in the prison systems of Texas, generally in the men's prisons since they were the closest to where I lived. And after I became a substance abuse counselor and learned the techniques of hypnosis to use, I got permission from the counselor in the prison system after a 12-step meeting to take volunteers who wanted to be hypnotized to see if I could be helpful to them in some way. Out of 500 men, the first setting, only 3 wanted to be hypnotized, and they were terrified. We were in a noisy, stark lighted room, and they were all easily hypnotized. I took them out of the prison for the first time, a lot of them in 20 or 30 years. And that particular first time I took them to the beach, and not only were they free of the confines of where they lived, they were free of the reasons that got them there. They had a very positive experience, and I guess within the population in the prison, the word spread. And the next week when I came, I had 112 men who wanted to be hypnotized. And I was allowed to see a dozen at a time, and I continued to do that for many, many years. I was always told it had a great impact on them. It affected how they were while they were still incarcerated. It affected how they behaved. It gave them a sense of hope, a desire, and it also gave them desire to be free of drugs and alcohol when they returned to their free life.